Okay, here we go. So what I've done is I've ordered a box of Mantality, a mystery box. Well wrapped, cost about 299 rands. So hopefully it's a mystery. So hopefully it's a good box to buy. I'll pop the link in the description below so you can go down and actually buy one yourself if it's worth it. Let's get into it. So opening it up, it's quite tightly. And my knife isn't the sharpest anymore. Okay, so let's get into it. So, as you can see, mystery box from Mantality. So I think it's $2.99, and they say things in here is worth about $3.99 or so. Might be a little bit more. But let's check it out. I love blind boxes. Okay, great. Got a lot of shredded paper. There's hopefully something in here, not just shredded paper. Yeah. Okay, so let's get into it. So, a Luno Nembo. What is this? I have no idea. This is what the box looks like. Don't know what a Luno Nembo is. Whoa, that's quite cool. Oh, that's quite cool. A little light. It's got a little carabiner here, probably for your keys. Okay, quite nifty. Steel little light. Probably lacquer for camping. That would be cool to take camping. What else do we have in there? So this probably $100, $150 I estimated on. What else do we have in here? A 3-in-1 cable. Keep dropping things today. Okay, this is also quite cool. 3-in-1 charging cable. So it looks like it's got a iPhone and a Android charging, and and it's 2 meters long. That's quite cool. Drop it again. It's quite cool. Let's just check it. So I know these are quite expensive, probably another $150. So we're already at the 300 we spent on this box. It's quite cool. 2 meters. Look at that. The different attachments. So you probably put that just in there. If I can get it right. Put that in there, and then it's Android. Use the other one, and it's iPhone charger. Pretty cool. Okay, we've got one other item in here. So let's see what this is. A steel multi-tool car tool clip. Okay, so let's just see. This looks like. Yeah, so it looks like a little clip, as you can see. You pull it out. Okay, this is quite cool. A little like pocket tool, cable bender, smartphone slot, butterfly wrench, smartphone slot. I wonder what that is. A blade. Okay, it's quite sharp over there. Box cutter, bottle opener. So I don't know if you guys can see that. there's a couple of things there, so it's quite cool. It's something I've seen some of these before. It's maybe something I will put in my wallet if I can get this clip off, or maybe just keep it as is and pop it into your car, or you can probably use it as a money clip. If I had any cash on me, I would actually try and show you. Comes in a nice little leather case around here. You probably pop your money in there. Yeah, not bad. I think overall $300. First two items we probably around about 300. Maybe this, if you, I don't know what these cost, but maybe that pushes you over to a 400 mark. Not bad, pretty cool. Useful gadget, I must say. It's all of this. It's not one of those boxes that you actually buy and you don't use half of it or some of it. You know, you just stack somewhere. So let's just recap the little Lumo. Little light's pretty cool. We'll be able to use that. It's quite sharp. 2-meter charging cable is quite cool. We'll use that. This one probably like the least amount of use for it at the moment, but I'll put it in my car. You never know. So cool. Thanks for watching. Hopefully we can do some more of these unboxings. Please go to Mantality in the link below, and you can just check out what they've got. A lot of nice things for men. I'm going to try and buy some other stuff that we can also review. Have a great day. Like and subscribe.